You don't look like my usual black raven. What's going on here? Hello. Captain Cocky Crunch. Hello, Captain Cocky Crunch. Oh. There you are. There's the most beautiful one. Are you flying off? Are you Amelia? Maybe that might be Amelia. I welcome you, and I offer you to stay. What about you? Would you like a cashew? Hello? Hello? Do you mind if I share a cashew with Captain Cocky Crunchy? Hello? Aren't you beautiful? I've got some cashews. Do you like cashews? Look, your body language says that you're not really keen to be hand-fed, and I shouldn't encourage hand-feeding. Do you mind if I feed my friend Cheryl? Morning, Cheryl. Would you like some of these? And just, do you mind if I feed Cheryl? I've got to.